will quickly move on. I would call on the founder, Nkata Ndi Iyom, in the person of Chief Mrs. Iyom Josephine Anenih, MNI, founder, President General, Nkata Ndi Iyom Igbo. Iyom, kindly unmute yourself and take the podium for your opening and welcome address. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mazi. Good morning, everybody on the calls this morning. I would have done what we do in Nigeria by recognizing everybody by name, but it's not possible because I can't see everybody. So I'll just say, Ndi Iyom Igbo. And that's, for those who don't understand Igbo, means you are welcome. You are welcome this morning to this meeting. We welcome you all to this inaugural conference of Nkata Ndi Iyom Igbo, NNII. We appreciate the honor of your presence. Nkata in Igbo means conversation. Conversation is a strong tool for interpersonal relationships, not only in Igbo social cultural system, but globally. It merely comes in different languages. It is like love. It is like a smile, a cry, and all other global human emotions and expressions that are universal and define our humanity. The birth of Nkata Ndi Iyom Igbo, by this time last year, at the peak of the global pandemic lockdown, was actually the arrival of a dream I have had for years. I have always believed in teamwork, in expressive agreements, in dissent that are productive. That is part of what makes us human. So with the COVID-19 scare and lockdown, we were all forced to have some introspection and to begin a much needed Nkata about the way forward. So with a group of brave and committed women, we came together, even though virtually, and we are still virtual. We started the Nkata, we started the conversation. The aim of the group was specific. We are women, but how much are we pulling our weight to push for development in our families, communities, states, or the nation at large? Our motto in Nkata is partnering for development. We all know development only happens when there is collaborative and complementary leadership, when there is adherence to values that push for human integrity, resilience, and progress. So the group came together as women who most often suffer the effects of underdevelopment, poverty, and insecurity, to see how we, as the other half of humanity, can, through cultural, economic, political, and even spiritual reorientation, partner with each other, partner with individuals, other individuals, groups, or even international organizations for development of our modern global family. We have been having lots of conversations. We have been taking action since last year. So in a sense, this inaugural conference is just us saying to you all, let our conversation stir many others in groups, regions, and nations, not for competitive purposes, but for complementary development purposes, like we've always known as Africans. Conversations are the only ways we can agree to disagree for our common good as humans on any geographic space. We, the women, are here to invite everyone to the table of Nkata as we all partner for our development. Today marks our 1 year of existence, so the journey has just begun for us. A 1-year-old child needs everyone to grow, to learn, and contribute to society. We all need each other. Thank you all, and be sure to join this conversation. Dalun, thank you.
Thank you very much for that straight to the point. Obviously, you used the opportunity, one, to tell the story of how the journey began.